Well, guys, so I just got back from the Dollar General and I went to go get some more Lime Away, and I was really sad because they were all sold out. And so when I went to the checkout, I was like, I asked the clerk, I was like, oh, excuse me, like I saw you guys don't have any Lime Away out on the shelf. Does that mean that you're probably all sold out, just in case? Because I had driven out there just mostly for that, although I did get some other things. And she was like, oh, no, you don't want that stuff anyways, because you got to get this stuff called the Works, and it just melts that stuff away. And so she showed me this stuff on the shelf, and I just want to give you some perspective. So this tub down here is pretty awful because then it also like drips. And so because I didn't have a water softener, what would happen is the hardness like accumulates, and then the iron rust stuff gets stuck and baked in and like soaked into the hardness that accumulates. Okay, so it's gonna take some time, but I had already sprayed this all down with Lime Away like super duper thoroughly, and you can see where it's like you can see some of the streaks and stuff. I hadn't scrubbed it. You can see where I did spray the Lime Away and it did melt some of the stuff off, and I had sprayed the Lime Away all through here, but I even scrubbed this part lightly. But I don't know if you can see, like here's an area where Lime Away got sprayed, and here's the Works. Okay, and it's taken all that hardness right off. So this stuff is super potent. I mean, so if you have like well water and you have these issues, I just want to, she was like, well, it says it's for toilets, but just squirt this stuff on there and it'll just melt away, basically is what she was basically saying to me. So I know it's not super efficient. I gotta get some cleaning gloves. I just got back from the store and I was just excited to give this a try. So it does still tend to go in streaks. So anyways, I'm gonna have to scrub it, but I was just very fascinated by that because again, here is the Lime Away stuff and here is the Work. So if you're like me and you've ever been using the Lime Away, you're missing out on this other stuff, guys. So I'm gonna see, what can I do about cleaning this tub up again. Again, I installed the Water Boss 900 and I'm using the iron out salt. So hopefully I'm not dealing with heavy accumulation again, but I'm curious to see how it is some months from now. Anyways, take it easy.